Welcome back to the one and only Salvage Motorsports. Today we continue the work on the 94 twin-turbo Stealth. The transfer case goes on along with the full exhaust. It's go time.
Hey, there you are. Welcome back. Working on the yellow Stealth again. I finished up some things on it already before you tuned in. I went ahead and put the alternator on the starter, some pulleys over on the side, cool spark plug cover, this cool cover there we got. I buttoned up that CV axle on that side over there on the passenger side. You know, just some more little things. A lot of little things make a big thing, right? Yep. Oh.
What are we looking for?
Very specific bolts to the back of the CV axle.
Here's the exhaust. We'll go ahead and get to the unboxing in just a little bit. Here's the rest. A nice piece from IMR about to go on. But first, the transfer case. There we go. This shouldn't give us any problems. Looks like a little bit of trouble getting it seated. Oh, that's... Are you still fighting with the dowel pen? I know the answer. I just wanted to ask it on camera so everyone else knows.
Knows that working on cars isn't easy. Dowel pen was giving us an issue.
Yeah.
For some reason it's a little too far out. Why?
There it goes. It's bringing it in.
Oh, yeah. Oh. No kidding.
That's better. Bolt's going in.
That dowel pin was too far out for some reason. When we pulled the T-case off, the dowel pin must have came with it a bit. Putting it back on, it's just fighting us because it's too far out. Wasn't a good time. I like how this downpipe's gonna fit up, huh? Just barely gonna fit, if it's gonna fit. Look at how close that pre-cat is to the...
Yeah. All right, time to get it on there. And it is a very tight fit. Looks super awesome though. How tight does that need to be?
I don't know, I'll leave it a little loose in case we gotta finagle with it with this back one.
There you go.
We'll try that. And when it starts, we'll make sure it's got no leaks. And if it's got to be tightened up more, we'll tighten it up more. I just don't want to pop a clamp.
That's good.
Tick.
1 2 1 2. Check. Microphone check. All right, you got it on. Good job. Mission accomplished. Time to start the rest of the exhaust.
Are you gonna box this sweet exhaust, dude?
I am. What kind is it? Tanabe?
Tanabe Medallion. They packed it really well. Oh, look at all of them. Ugh, maybe we got more. How you like that? Nice and shiny.
Look at that burnt tip.
It's like Christmas, dude. I'm unboxing presents until you gotta install them. That's not very fun anymore. Unboxing them is the fun part.
We should just do unboxing videos. That's it.
I don't think.
Like and subscribe if you want us just to do unboxing videos from now on.
Sweet, there it is. Nice and shiny.
Whoop, there it is. Shakalaka, we're about to put this on to this car. Oh yeah, go time. The Medallion. Look at this fantastic full exhaust system. About to sound like $1,000,000. Oh yeah. All right, here's how the rest of the exhaust looks. Bling bling. Well, it looks like you got the full exhaust on. That's awesome.
Yeah, it was great.
Was it smooth?
Fun was had by all.
Smooth sailing?
Yeah, basically. Wasn't bad. It's easy. Goes up in pieces.
All right, man. Good work for the day. It's about that time.
Yeah, we got stuck. Forgot to order some brand new O2s for it, but they're in the mail, so we won't be able to fire it up. So on the next video, we'll go ahead and put the O2s in, do the fluids, fire it up, and hopefully take it for a test drive.
Like,
subscribe, and
until
do that
next
thing.
time.
Yeah.
All right. Peace out, bud. That's the intro. Should really chew with your mouth closed.